Hey everybody, welcome back. We did some more work on the stand. It's coming along pretty good. We keep making little mistakes. Should have took this piece of rolled roofing. It should have brought it down a couple inches, but we didn't. But we know we corrected our mistake on this side. I'll just put another piece underneath there. It'll be fine with the rain on it. So we got all those on there, and we put these 2x4s on here to hold these in place. Kind of mitered them at the top up there, and then I got those all on there. And I unfortunately ran out of material again. I thought I had enough this time, but we've got that side done, we've got that side done, and then if you come along over here, you'll see where we don't have this side done. So I still need to put one more piece of leak guard up there, which I'll do probably next time, and then cover this up. Got this scaffolding here now too, which is like super handy. Got the scaffolding. I'm super excited about that. That made that doing that front so much easier. So yeah, all you gotta do is put the rest of this leak guard on up here. Get that scaffolding there on this side, tack that onto there, and put the shingle, the asphalt rolled shingles, and the rest of it. And then we'll put 2x4s on each of the corners here too to kind of hold that in place. And once those 2x4s in there, it's not going to go anywhere. And then we will cut out the windows and the doors. Here's the inside of it. We'll cut those all out. Cut those out, and I believe my windows and doors are going to be here next weekend. I don't know if I'm going to get them up here or not, because the guy called me and said that they would ship next Wednesday, which means they'll either get here probably Friday of next week or Saturday. And if they get here on Saturday, then I'll probably be already gone and up here, so I won't be able to actually get them from the house. So may not get the windows in for another 2 weeks, which kind of sucks because it's going to start getting cold here really quick. If that happens, I may end up just cutting out those windows, and that way, you know, we can hunt out of it, right? It's definitely, you can hunt out of it at this point. But it is coming along, guys. Like I'm excited. I'm almost done with the outside. The way we mitered those 2x4s off on the top, the water should run right off of them, and they're treated wood anyways. Cut that window out, put the windows in there. It's going to look fantastic. I'll probably just put I'll have an extra strip of this rolled roofing. I'll probably just put it underneath here. Otherwise, it's a pretty windy day up here. Here's kind of the view that we'll have in this area, especially as these leaves kind of start falling in. You can see they're all turning, right? We're probably 25% at this point, maybe even getting close to 50% of all the leaves turning up here. And all this clover has come in. You can see the turnips are coming in there too, and some of the brassica stuff I put in here. And here's how the apple trees are looking. This one got hit pretty hard with armyworms, but it looks like it's all right. It's still doing all right. It's got leaves on it. They'll come back. They're kind of leaning on me a little bit. Might have to get some ropes and tie them up and pull them back that way, I think. That wind just pushes them. So there you go. I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video. Give me some comments on what you think and how it's going, and we will see you guys on the next one.